All right, some breaking news coming in. More information on gangster Chota Rajan. In an exclusive interview to India Today, Rajan has refuted allegations that he had surrendered to the police in Indonesia. The Don also told India Today that he has no problems returning to India. In fact, he wants to return to India.
भैया मेरे को अभी कुछ बोलना नहीं है, मैं बाद में बोलूंगा।
लेकिन आप भारत
इंडिया नहीं, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं इंडिया जाऊंगा।
आपने कुछ कहा था कि आपको जिम्बाब्वे जाना है। ये बताइए हमको, ये बताइए आपने सरेंडर किया है? ये तरह बोला क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? नाना क्या आपने सरेंडर किया है? क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? आपसे जानना चाहेंगे आपने सरेंडर
नहीं किया हूं मैं। गिरफ्तार हुए प्लीज अभी
यहाँ सिक्योर महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? सिक्योर आप सिडनी, आप बाली क्यों आए थे? सिडनी खतरा तो नहीं है आपको यहाँ पर? आप बाली क्यों आए थे सिडनी से? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया है?
देखो अभी
लॉयर किया है आपने? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया हुआ है? कोई लॉयर किया हुआ आपने? आप देख सकते हैं आपको इस तरह आरोपी की तरह बेटियां बांधी आपने। क्या आपको तकलीफ है यहाँ पर?
बहुत तकलीफ है।
Over a period of time, Chota Rajan has developed medical conditions. He already had a kidney problem, but now he's also started having heart problems. Chota Rajan was brought into Trijata Hospital on Wednesday for treatment. The reason was that he had developed a heart condition, and sources tell us that he told the doctors here that 2 years ago he's gone through a bypass surgery, but we do not know in which country this surgery was carried out. But he was having medicines after that surgery, but he had to discontinue the medicines since he was running out of it. So on Wednesday he developed problem. He was brought in at the hospital where he was given proper treatment. But now of course all eyes are on the Interpol coordination team, which is likely to arrive from Delhi any moment. It will be headed by a senior official of the coordination unit of Interpol. And he will also be assisted by 2 officers from Mumbai Police. They're just waiting for a go-ahead from the Ministry of External Affairs, because they will be playing a crucial role in deciding the terms of deportation. So they can arrive any moment to expedite the process of deportation. With camera person Zahir Bagh, Atir Khan in Bali for India Today.
Let us play that reaction once again when Chota Rajan was being taken away by the cops in Indonesia and Bali. Let's listen into what he ended up saying to the Indian media.
भैया मेरे को अभी कुछ बोलना नहीं है, मैं बाद में बोलूंगा।
लेकिन आप भारत
इंडिया जाना चाहते हो? नहीं, जिम्बाब्वे नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं इंडिया जाऊंगा।
आपने कुछ कहा था कि आपको जिम्बाब्वे जाना है? ये बताइए हमको, ये बताइए आपने किया है? आपने सरेंडर किया है? ये तरह बोला क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? नाना क्या आपने सरेंडर किया है? क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? आपसे जानना चाहेंगे आपने सरेंडर
नहीं किया हूं मैं। गिरफ्तार हुए प्लीज
यहाँ सिक्योर महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? सिक्योर आप सिडनी, आप बाली क्यों आए थे? सिडनी खतरा तो नहीं है आपको यहाँ पर? आप बाली क्यों आए थे सिडनी से? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया है?
देखो अभी
लॉयर किया है आपने? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया हुआ है? कोई लॉयर किया हुआ आपने? आप देख सकते हैं आपको इस तरह आरोपी की तरह बेटियां बांधी आपने। क्या आपको तकलीफ है यहाँ पर?
बहुत तकलीफ है।
Let's go across now to Atir Khan, who joins us from Bali. Morning, Atir. This short interaction that Chota Rajan had with the media, with the Indian media, which has been asking him questions about his safety, security, whether he actually surrendered or not. He seems to be evasive about all these questions, also slightly dismissive. You can see putting his head down. Just describe to us what exactly he said and what exactly are the agencies in India planning as far as getting him back.
Well, you're absolutely right. He is evasive as far as media queries are concerned, but when he is confronted, he has told us that he wants to go back to India. And another important revelation was that he says that he has not surrendered. That means that this arrest was all of a sudden. So he wants to give clearly impression that there was no setup of any sort, and it all happened all of a sudden. But clearly he looks quite disturbed at this point of time. So he said he said that he's not scared of anybody. But really now what we are looking at is the arrival of the team from India, which will be headed by the coordination officer of the Interpol unit in the CBI, along with some senior officers of Mumbai police, since a number of cases against him are registered in Mumbai. So a team has been decided, but they're still waiting a go-ahead from the Ministry of External Affairs, since it has to decide on the terms of deportation. So once that is done, the team is all set to arrive to Bali and then expedite the deportation.
All right, Atir, do stay on with us. Some more breaking news coming in at this moment.